Ever wondered how to tackle the tricky task of driving on ice, especially when you're behind the wheel of a massive truck? Well, wonder no more, because we're about to delve into some practical and easy-to-follow tips that'll help keep you safe on those icy roads. First up, slow and steady wins the race when it comes to driving on ice. It's not about getting there fast, it's about getting there safe. So, ease off the accelerator and give yourself plenty of time to reach your destination. Next, keep a safe distance between you and the vehicle in front. Remember, stopping distances can increase tenfold on icy roads, so give yourself and the drivers around you plenty of room. Now, let's talk tires. You want to make sure your tires are in tip-top shape. Check your tire pressure regularly, especially when temperatures drop. Low tire pressure can reduce the traction between the tire and the road, making it harder for you to control your truck. Speaking of control, always try to steer smoothly and avoid any sudden movements. If you feel your truck sliding, don't panic. Keep your steering wheel steady and avoid slamming on the brakes. Remember, your truck's weight is both a blessing and a curse on icy roads. It can help with traction, but it also means you need more time to stop. So always take your time, plan your route, and be prepared for unexpected conditions. Lastly, remember to keep your fuel tank at least half full. This will help prevent the fuel line from freezing, which can cause your truck to stall. In summary, driving on ice can be a challenge, but with the right knowledge and preparation, it's a challenge that can be overcome. Keep your speed down, maintain a safe distance from other vehicles, make sure your tires are in good condition, steer smoothly, and keep your fuel tank at least half full. Stay safe out there, and remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe to this channel.